How to turn an Amazon Kindle book and audiobook into an online video course using Vidnami software or any other text to video software. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you right now behind the scenes how to create an online video course to create another stream of income, whether you're an author or a publisher. Okay. And how do you do that? Without you having to hire a videographer. How do you do that? All you need is your original ebook and your audiobook, and you put it together and use a software called Vidnami, and it actually turns it into a video course that syncs, that has slides automatically, okay, that fit with the keywords used in the sentences, and it syncs with the audio and the text, okay? So I'm going to show you behind the scenes how to do it. If you're interested in creating an online course to create another stream of income. And where do you sell that course? Generally speaking, you can create it, you can sell it on your own website. You can go to other platforms like Udemy. But it's a great asset that for you to have if you have an online course. So you can sell on your own website through ClickBank or JVZoo or whatnot, okay? So let's get to it. So the topic again is how to turn an Amazon book and audiobook into an online video course using Vidnami. Vidnami is software right here. Okay. This is a website that I discovered about a year ago. Just watching YouTube videos, not particularly about self-publishing, but about internet marketing. And there was one particular YouTuber, I forgot his name, but shout out to him. He mentioned using Vidnami for internet marketing, work from home businesses and stuff like that. So from then on, when I saw the software, I knew this had the potential to turn a book into an online video. Okay. Now the thing how I do, and then I then put it to websites like Udemy, right? And I'm just going to show you like the process of how to turn a book and monetize it into a video book and sell on Udemy. Okay. And I hired a team, a virtual assistant team, and I trained them how to do this, okay? And literally in about 4 months, I turned 300 books into 300 online courses and put it up on Udemy and on my own website as well. So unfortunately, as of right now, Vidnami is being sold to GoDaddy, which is a very popular web company. So maybe in the future, I don't know yet, GoDaddy may, come up with their own Vidnami software in the future, maybe for a more affordable price, maybe better technology and whatnot, who knows. But there's other alternatives to Vidnami out there as of right now. And there's also more similar softwares coming in the future, I heard in the works. In private Facebook groups, people are talking about there's going to be an alternative that's very similar to this. Again, I don't know yet, okay? But I'm just showing you this. There's other tools like this. Even if Vidnami is gone right now, in the future, you can find other softwares very similar to this. You put your text, you put your own audio from the audiobook, and then it turns into a video, okay? So basically what you do if you want to get started, for example, let me just show you a process of how to turn the text into a video, okay? So you go to somewhere like this, right? Click on create a new video. And then like you can choose like, you're going to go step-by-step templates, script, scenes, voice, preview, download, okay? And each section has subsections. So you want to choose the theme that you prefer, okay? So there's content style, presenter style, instant, sales video. Generally speaking, I kind of like, you can scroll down, whatever you like, okay? I like the opaque black. It's kind of like classic, or if you're, depending on your brand color, I mean, you may want to fit with your brand color as well. You can also create your own custom templates, okay? You can go in and actually customize it. Like for me, I created my own custom, okay? Then you select the template. And after you do that, you're gonna put in your text, okay? Like chapter 1 or whatever. Let's say this is chapter 1. I don't have a text right now. Okay, and this allows up to like 8,000 words or something like that. So it's plenty enough for chapter 1. Now, if your chapter one is longer than 8,000 words or whatever is allowed here, then what I suggest is to break it apart into half. So it's 1A, 1B. Okay. So let's say this is just a text. Okay. Let's make it into words though. Apple, the banana, orange. Let's just do it like this. Okay. So their slides will be more like you'll have images. Okay. Then click on, after you put in the text, click scenes. It's going to automatically generate scenes based on the text. So Apple, they have like an Apple here that it generates. And if you don't like the Apple slide, you can search for other Apple slides. Okay, it shows like, and you can, some people think it's the Apple company. Oh, you like this slide better? Let's say you like this slide better, right? Oh, I like this one, this color, right? And just click on this, and then it replaces it. Okay, and it keeps going down and whatnot. And that's all you do. And if I don't like this one, oh, that's not an apple. Let me use this one. Let me use this guy eating or something, or let me use this lady having an apple right there. Okay, so that's like how you do it. Next, you go to voice. Now, most people use the automatic voice, but I don't recommend you to do this at all, especially if you're going to sell it on Udemy, because they don't allow text-to-speech software. Okay, text to speech is auto voice. They don't allow that on udemy.com. Okay, sometimes Udemy has asked me, who created the content, this is not text to speech software. So after I let them know that, they kind of understand. Okay, so what you're gonna do is under voice, you're not gonna do no voice, auto voice. You're gonna upload a voice track, and this is where you upload your audiobook file for chapter 1, for example, and you just upload it here. And as long as a narrator actually read the entire script, word for word, from start to finish, there's going to be no problems most of the time. Okay, you're going to upload it, and then you're going to go to preview. Now, I don't have an audio right now, so I'm just going to use the auto voice as of right now. Okay, I don't have an audio right now for this. In order to go to preview, I need some kind of audio. So I usually do upload audio. But because I don't have it, I'm just going to do auto voice, and I'm just going to choose whoever is the first one, Heidi, okay? And click preview. And then it's going to generate the preview video, okay? Now, as you can see, it's like this, right? And you can also add music if you want. I personally don't like to have music. The reason I don't like having music is that what I found out, even though this is all usable music, right? You can use it loud, right? Sometimes when I publish it on Facebook or Instagram, they block it or something. So I just use no music. You can do a watermark. You can put your own logo or whatever. Create a watermark and put a logo on the top here or whatnot if you want. And then
apple, banana,
you know what I mean? And this is
banana, orange. Apple, banana, orange, apple.
Okay, say you like this video, right? So it looks good and continue. If the audio and the text is not syncing at the same time together, then you can click on this option, manually adjust timing, and you can actually adjust the timing, okay? There's a way to actually adjust it. It's like a video editor. It's pretty cool. So, play like that. And you can actually move this. If you want to move this along a little bit, the slide, according to, the bottom this is the audio. The top is the videos. You want to sync it, at a different time, you can do that. It's very easy. You just have to go like that and bring it to wherever you want to stop. Okay, and then click looks good, continue, or something like that, right? Then all you do is you click on generate your video. It generates the video, and then and soon enough, it's going to generate, it's going to process. There's going to be a percentage, okay? Then after that, it's going to have a download button, okay? Once it has a download button, you're done. You just click on the download button, get the file, video file. It's an MP4 file, and then you upload it to, places like Udemy. You can even upload it to YouTube if you want for your own, content. You can private it, or you can make it unlisted, or you can make you can upload chapter 1 as a marketing video to promote your book. Okay, so there you go. Download the video. It worked. Now I can download the video. Boom.
Apple banana orange.
So I download the video. Now I can upload it to all the platforms out there. Okay, so that's just a demonstration how to do how to turn an Amazon book, an audiobook, into an online video course using Vidnami software or a similar software like this. Okay, text to video software. Okay, so I'm actually in the behind the scenes. I'm actually working on a course right now. I know the due date. We only have 2 more days to use this software because this software expires on August 15th. But my virtual assistant team member that I train and I are actually working behind the scenes, and we're working on 2 more courses. We're pretty much finished. We're going to finish by tonight for sure. Okay, by today, I'm going to finish uploading it. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to download chapter 3. I was working on this. Chapter 4, chapter 5. And let me work on chapter 6, okay? It's a book about knitting. So let me look for chapter 6 here. Hold on a second. Where's chapter 6? Okay, here we go. So I'm going to go to chapter 6. All this stuff I can remove. 3, 4, 5, okay? So chapter 6 is going to process, okay? It takes a little bit of time. Hold on. Let me let it process a little bit. All right, it's already finished. Wonderful. So now what I do is at no music, watermark, I put my brand here, okay? I always want to brand my videos like all the, big companies do. And then what I do is I like to check the first, the middle, and the end just to make sure the text and the audio is syncing together, okay?
Chapter 6. Knitting a dishcloth. Use an SSK instead of a K2TOG and see if knit to YO K2TOG.
Okay, looks good. Looks good. Click continue, okay? Then you click on generate the video. Then it's going to process. Then you download the video and then you upload the video, okay? Now, while this is processing, then you can work on the next video. What I found out, if you work on multiple videos at the same time, it doesn't work. It slows everything down. It's just the computer's a system. It just doesn't work. You got to do one video at a time. So I'm going to work on chapter 7 now. Yeah, let me just do 1 or 2 examples and pretty much that's it, okay? Okay, preview your video. I already uploaded the audio previously.
Chapter 7.
Okay, cool. All right. Okay, this is processing. Now let's go to uploading. Okay, let me show you how to upload. I don't need this banana thing. Vidnami. Chapter 6. Why are we doing this again? I don't need to do this. Okay. Okay, so let me upload chapter 1. I'll just show you an example. Okay. Oh, this is Udemy, right? This is just showing you Udemy. You just put in all the basic stuff, creating a new course. The main places is course landing page. You're going to put in your book, subtitle, Amazon book description here. You can put an image. You can put a promo video. Put the categories, what the main topic is. Pricing. I generally do $29.99. It has worked best for me in terms of optimum price compared to $19.99 and $39.99 and $49.99. Test the 4 prices. And then you go to curriculum. And this is where you upload the videos, okay? So I already uploaded introduction. Let me upload chapter 1 as an example. Chapter 1. Okay, let's go. Boom. Okay, I'm uploading right now. Chapter 2. This is just showing demonstration, how to upload to Udemy. Okay, this is not just a training about Vidnami. This is also how to upload to Udemy. It's pretty easy. We got to do, chapter 2 was kind of slow, so I skipped that. Okay. I skipped that video. It was kind of lagging. Just productivity tip. Anytime you see something technical difficulties, just skip it. Come back to it later. Chapter 3, chapter 4. Let's go to chapter 4. Chapter 5. Got it. Cool. Okay. So it's uploading all that stuff. Let me just go back to Vidnami. Okay, it's chapter 6 is not done, but 7 is done. Let's check 7.
Chapter 7, DC option. So many more. There is little.
Okay, it syncs. Let me put my brand logo. Okay, looks good. Continue. Now this is processing chapter 6. Okay, generate video for 7. I know there's a lot going back and forth. Okay, now we're done with that. Now let's upload to what I'd like to upload is to Udemy first and foremost because it's a platform. I upload it. There's already customers there searching for my products. So it's so easy. Udemy is a platform. Boom. Now the second platform I sell is my own website. Okay, this is something that most people don't do because they don't have experience with digital products. But believe it or not, it's actually a skill worth learning because it's your own products, it's your own assets. Why not sell it in your own website, your own store that you own? Okay, 100%. Okay, you don't have to be worried about, oh, I'm going to get kicked off this platform. None of that worry. You own the platform. And what I'm doing right now, guys, I'm kind of working behind the scenes as well. Another project is I'm not just trying to sell my video courses one at a time. What I'm doing is that I'm selling these courses, right? Each book is a course. And every time they buy it, my goal after each customer buys one course is to make them a member of a membership site, kind of like a Netflix style, where they can watch all my courses for a low monthly affordable price, right? Or a yearly price. Okay. You want to make money in the long run, ideally from continuity, they say, or big ticket. Okay. Continuity is where you pay month after month. You're like your bills, you pay month after month. Electricity, you pay month after month. Water, you pay month after month. Your phone bill, you pay month after month. You want to have a business where you charge month after month. Books, you make one-time sale, right? But after you make that one-time sale, your next goal is to make them into a continuity customer, okay? A month-to-month customer, a continuity customer where you get paid month after month after month, okay? So you have a bigger lifetime value of the customer, okay? Not that one-time sale. So that's why I highly recommend selling on your own website. I have my own website as an example here, and this is Optimized Press. What do you use to create a website? I highly recommend and use the software I use, which is called Optimized Press. It's very affordable, unlike other softwares out there where you have to pay $100 a month or whatever, which are cool too. This is more like you pay a one-time payment. I believe it's like $120 a year or something like that. And you don't have to renew all the time. So you can pay one-time payment for like $100 at one time, okay? I believe that's the pricing. Yeah, pricing is different. Essential, like one site is $100 a year. The other one's $200 a year. It's a lot. It's very affordable. And it works with WordPress as a plugin or a theme. A lot of people, when they're building a site, beginners, especially internet marketers, are using WordPress. So this is a WordPress theme that I'm personally using. My website, my brand website is using Optimized Press, okay? So this is just behind the scenes, okay? So what I do is I'm going to upload on Vimeo, okay? You have an option to upload the video to Vimeo or YouTube or whatever. I'm going to upload to both, okay? Why do I upload to both? Because just as a backup, YouTube is backup, but my main primary content is going to be on Vimeo, which I pay for, by the way, but it is well worth it. So I'm going to choose the files and I'm going to upload the 3 videos that I just downloaded. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Got it. Okay. I'm uploading that and let me upload to YouTube as well. Chapter 3, 4, 5. Okay. It's uploading. Now, while this is uploading, I want to kind of show you an example. So how to use Optimized Press, for example, right? Let me refresh this, manage my videos real quick. So what I want to do is, let's say I want to get this information, right? This chapter 3. Click on that on Vimeo. click on advanced. Okay. And we're going to do a couple of little things here. Okay, first of all, the option I choose for Vimeo videos, I don't make it downloadable, okay? Because this is for my members. This is for customers only, right? So uncheck these two. That's the first thing you're going to do, okay? Okay, there you go. Where can this be embedded? Okay, you can do it anywhere, but what I do is if you're going to embed it on your own website, put your own domain name. Okay, then it's very you can really protect your content. No one can steal it. You know, they cannot get this video embedded anywhere else except your own domain name. So I'm a member of the Vimeo. You know, I pay $300 a year or whatever, $200 a year, whatever, Vimeo. I uploaded pretty much all my courses here. It's great. Okay. And plus, there's no YouTube logo, so people go click on it and they get distracted and go to somewhere else from your website. They stay on your website, watch the videos. They don't go to Vimeo because I don't have the Vimeo logo on. Okay. I don't want people to get distracted. Goodness, is so slow right now. Knitting. Let me also. Unbelievable. Come on, dude. All right, here we go. I'm just clicking on the playlist right now, okay? And then click save, click embed. Manage my videos, okay. So I'm gonna work on chapter 1, right? I'm gonna double click on this video here, okay? And by the way, how do you create a video on Optimize Press? You just go to add element, click on video player, click on this just to embed code. You're going to put the code here. I don't know the code yet, right? Dimension, I like to make it the biggest as possible, 853. Center, bottom margin, I don't do bottom margin, none of that. I do top margin 20. Okay, and let's just create the video thing right now. Okay, then this thing shows up. Now what you're going to do next, you can move it up or whatever, okay, based on what chapter you want to put it on. Let's say we want to put it for chapter 2 here, right? Now we're going to work on chapter 1 here. But for example, hold on 1 second. Okay, we're going to double click and you're going to paste whatever the code is here, the embed code for that video. Okay, so for example, this is the video we're working on. Actually, it was chapter 3, right? I like to do preset. Save it. Meaning the way I like to set it up is I like to not have any logo showing up on my video player. So I kind of set it up like this. This is the best right now. So people are not distracted. They don't go to Vimeo. They don't click on YouTube. They don't go anywhere, right? Then you go to share, copy embed code, get that code and come here. And it's chapter 3, right? Okay, so what we're going to do is chapter 3. Click on that. Embed code right there. Let me actually make this 0. Oh, okay, it's pasting now. Okay, the video is pasting now. I pasted the video using Vimeo. Okay, now for YouTube, I usually unlist or private all my videos, but I keep it as a backup just in case I need the backup files. Okay, and also if you don't want to pay for Vimeo, you can actually use YouTube. Just make it an unlisted video and make that YouTube URL and put it into your if you're using YouTube, for example, like for example, right? You'll just change from embed, go to YouTube, and just put the YouTube URL here. Okay, but make it an unlisted video if you want to make a product video, okay? So the public cannot see the YouTube video, but only your members can. And you're going to put the YouTube URL here and click insert, and that's all you do, okay? So that's a quick demonstration how to use, how to turn a book, an audiobook, into an online video course using Vidnami and sell it on Udemy and on your own website, okay? Using Optimized Press, okay? That's it. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more how to build your own online business, self-publishing, and publish your own books and whatnot, click the link below. Check out my resources. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.